Sometimes you come across numbers that have different index numbers or indices instead of the 2 for squaring and the 3 for cubing. If we look at these examples here, we start with a simple squaring one. 2 squared, to work this out, would be 2 times 2, which would give you 4. This one, 2 cubed, we used the cube as an example just now, where we said to work out the answer you'd need to do 2 times 2 for the bottom row, which would give you 4. And then times it by 2, which is the height, and that would give you 8 altogether. Now for this one here, you can't really use the visualization of squares or cubes. The best way to do this is just to look at the index number, and remember that's the number of times that you're going to write down the large number below it. So we're going to write down 2 4 times, and then we're just going to multiply them together. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. Take that answer forward, times it by this 2 would give us 8. Take that answer forward, multiply it by this 2, which would give us 16. So whatever your index number is, and we only really deal with positive index numbers at 11 plus, you write down the large number that number of times and multiply those numbers together. Get a bit of an exception here with the number 1. If you have 1 squared, that means 1 times 1, which of course equals 1. 1 to the power of 4 would be 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which also equals 1. 1 to the power of 7, do you get the idea? Do I have to write out 7 ones? Don't think so. So 1 to the power of 7, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which would be 1. Indeed, 1 to the power of 100 also would be 1 times 1 with 100 of those number ones there, you'd still get the answer 1. So whenever you see anything with a 1 to the power of something, if it's a positive number, you end up with an answer of 1.